our day 2 here in Tokyo. Today, we're going to Team Labs Planets. Yes.
There's two team labs, so isang
Borders or borderless, something like that.
borderless.
And then Team Labs Planets. So ito yung mas maganda, mas marami activities. Okay, so ito na yung entrance sa Team Lab Planets Tokyo. Medyo mahaba na pila. Okay, show lang namin yung aming QR code saka yung allotted time slot namin. Okay, we're going in now. This is the entrance to Team Labs Planet. So may locker area dito. Dito ka mag-iwan ng gamit. And then this is the way in, I think. So may water area, may garden, forest, and open air, different paths.
Should we go water?
Water first. So if we go water, okay, so we have to remove our shoes and leave our shoes here kasi dadaan tayo sa water area. So mababasa yung paa natin. Right, so we're here. It's a bit dark. I'll just keep filming para ma-experience nyo rin kung ano ang what it's like sa passageway na to. Pataas siya, as you can see. And then along here, may tubig. So kung pupunta kayo dito, I suggest you wear shorts. And we're out. And then may mga provided sa ng mga towels. Yeah. Kung gusto mo magtuyo ng paa. So ano naman dito? This is a different room. Oh, it's a bit bouncy. So lahat, all the flooring are made of cushions. And then on to the next one. So that's your jumping room. Okay. So barefoot pa rin kami, wala pa rin yung mga shoes namin. Pero yung floor naman is carpeted. On to the light. Worry. Oh! Look at that. There's a sign here, do not go through the artwork. Amazing in here. Right, so exit na kami sa area na yun. So maraming mga crystal lights and light show. Again, lakad na naman tayo sa dark corridor. Okay, so it's highly recommended kung pupunta kayo dito unless it's a cold month kayo pupunta. Pero kung summer like here now, July, wear shorts. Kasi may mga area dito na may tubig up to your knee. Or kung ayaw nyo naman mag-shorts, itupin nyo lang yung pantalon nyo hanggang sa tuhod up to your knee para hindi mabasa. Puro tubig. Tingnan nyo, may mga fish oh. Oh, di ba? May mga isda. Right, so, alis na po tayo sa area na yon. And then off to the next one. Oh, wow! Hello! So, andito kami ngayon sa area na maraming balloons.
Alam ko mag-picture ka.
No! Ayan, ganda. Oh, iba-ibang kulay.
Yoga balls. I think it's massive, giant yoga balls.
Pero yung floor niya is still mirror. Okay.
So pwede mo siyang i-touch. Pwede mo, you can punch it but not too hard. So dito pag nakabalda ka, so kasi mirror lahat, so pwede kang so advice ko, wear short or trousers. Pero, or kayo, nakapalda pero naka-cycling kayo.
Pero sabi naman doon sa entrance kanina, they provide shorts or whatever. May announcement sa video na if you're wearing skirts and you're worried about your privacy and dignity, magpo-provide sila ng something na pwede mong isuot para hindi ka mabusohan. Okay, so we're done in this place. Okay, we'll go now to the next artwork. And here we are. there you have it. Okay, so balik na kami sa locker room. So yun yung mga artwork. So 4 areas. So ang hindi pa lang namin napupuntahan is yung open area, which is just a cafe and restaurant and a garden. Ganda ng mga orchids. Okay, so we're gonna go now to the forest. Athletics forest with uneven floors. Sandals and high heels are not allowed. So itong area na to is like a forest athletics area. If you're wearing high heels or sandals or flip-flops, you have to change into something like a slip-on temporary shoes, which is free anyway. So it's a bit dark in here again. So sabi dito, bawal tumakbo, bawal lumunda kasi uneven yung surface. So dito activities sila, kaya pala bawal ang sandals and high heel shoes kasi may mga uneven floors. So magbabalance kayo just on the way. Hindi siya tunay na tubig, ilaw lang yan. It's not real water. So ito naman, you can step on the poles, go across the room, but kailangan nyo mag-step on the same color. So nag-try-simulate kasi mamimili ka ng color and you only have to step on that color. Oh, wrong! And so we're finally done dito sa Team Planets.
It took us
Team Labs
from
Planets.
10:30. Well, we got there around 11, I think.
It's nearly 2 hours. It's highly, highly recommended. It's very fascinating.
It's so much fun.
So much fun. May mga activities din.
Mga activities.
It's very sensational. It's a one-of-a-kind experience. If ever mapunta kayo dito sa Tokyo, Japan, don't miss
Please,
it.
yung planet daw, inano namin, kinompare natin, di ba, yung borderline, at saka planet. Mas maganda yung planet. So,
More
yes,
activities.
We highly recommend it talaga, kahit sa mga bata, maliliit,
So at the moment, it's 18 pounds per person sa Klook.
sa Klook no natin.
Or you can go directly to their website either
Okay.
way. So our next
Ito na
destination
kami.
now is Shibuya Crossing, Hachiko
Hachiko.
statue,
And
and
then, I can't remember what's on our itinerary.
Dito naman kami ngayon sa Shibuya
Yeah.
Scramble Crossing. But first, we're gonna go to Hachiko. Ayun siya. Asa siya? Where is it? There. Okay, we're gonna move a bit closer. So nasa Shibuya Crossing tayo and Yamanote Line Y20 ang exit. JY20 Yamanote Line. Alabas siya ng Shibuya, and then if you can see there, that is the Scramble Crossing, and then we're gonna cross that later. Right? Let's take a photo of our famous Hachiko. So para magpakuha ng picture dun kay Hachiko, ayun siya. Yan.
May queue.
May queue, may pila. So there's a bit of a queue. Run all the way there. Mabilis lang naman siguro. Hopefully it's gonna be quick. And then we'll take a photo with them. Okay, so we're done with Hachiko. And then right behind us, that is the famous Shibuya Scramble Crossing. And then we're gonna make a scramble. We're gonna cross the crossing. Green lights. Here we go. Hello again. Nandito kami sa Ichiran Ramen House.
Shibuya.
Shibuya. So may 1 hour kami naghintay sa labas. So nagpaikot-ikot muna kami. Tinawag kami via email.
And then we've been waiting here.
Over half an hour. So ang style nila dito is per booth. So mahabang booth. Tapos kanya-kanya tayo kaming booth. And then merong cover. Mamaya pag na-serve niyo yung food, sasaran na nila yung cover. Like that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so andito na yung food namin. Ang aming ramen noodles. Ano siya? It's really nice. How was it?
Perfect. Yan.
Very good.
Perfect. Ubos.
Boss. Ito sa akin, Said. So nag-order din ako ng isang pint ng Asahi beer. Super dry. Kagandahan dito, kada booth or cubicle, may sarili silang tubig. So it's only water. Hindi yung drink sila yung tea. Pakita mo. Be careful with this.
Okay naman siya.
Okay naman siya,
Hindi
pero
naman bigay.
pero be careful with it kasi kung isipin nyo na iced tea siya, it's not.
Para siyang ulong tea.
So it's not very sweet.
It's not sweet, pero masarap siya na just parang, ano ba? Basta, ano siya,
Not
plain
for-
tea.
Yeah, not for everybody. So tapos na kami rito, just waiting for the two boys to finish their meal. And then alis na kami.
Kasi yung anak namin isa, nag-order ng noodle refill.
Half a noodle refill, 150, 170 yen.
So it's like 75p. Is it 75p na?
Something like that, 75p sa UK. Mura. And we're crossing Shibuya again. This time at night. Famous sign. Kaya ang daming those old train out there. So vary from 6.
Oversized baggage corner next to the wash basin is available without reservation.